Editing records in the table. Data entered in a table can be changed or modified easily if needed. To make changes in the entered data, Step 1. Select the table from the navigation pane and open it in the datasheet view by double-click on it. Step 2. Click in the field of the particular record whose value is to be modified. A blinking cursor will appear in the cell. Make the desired changes in the data or enter the new field value. Step 3. Save your changes. Inserting or deleting records. We can add new records into a table or remove the unwanted records as needed. Inserting a record. Step 1. Open the table in datasheet view in which new records is to be added. Step 2. Click on New in the Records group of the Home tab. Access adds a records at the end of the table. Step 3. Enter the field values of the new record. Once finished with the record entry, press Tab key to go to the next row for adding another new record in the table. Now, deleting a record. Step 1. Open the table in datasheet view from which the record is to be deleted. Step 2. Click in the row header area to select the record to be deleted. Step 3. Click on Delete from the Records group of the Home tab and select Delete Record option in it. A confirmation box will appear. Step 4. Click on Yes button to permanently delete the selected records from the table. Editing fields in the table. We can add or delete a new field in the table while working in datasheet view using blank column which shows the column header. Click to add. We can also add fields in between existing fields. Adding a field. Step 1. Right click on the column header where new column is to be inserted. Step 2. Choose Inserted Field from the shortcut menu to add new data field. Deleting a field. Step 1. Click on the row header of the field name which is to be removed. Step 2. Click on Delete from the Tools group of the Design tab and select Delete Column option in it. A confirmation dialog box will appear. Step 3. Click on Yes button, confirm the deletion, save the changes. Editing the table structure. Table once created can be modified easily, even if the data is entered in it. We can add some new data fields to the existing table or remove the unwanted data fields from the table. Open the table in the Design view using Views group of Home tab. Adding new data field. Step 1. Select the field name before which you want to add a new field. Click on Insert Rows from the Design tab. Step 2. Enter the new field name in the field name column of the field grid area. Step 3. In the data type column, select the field data type for the newly added field. Save the changes. Deleting data fields. Step 1. Select the field to be deleted click on Delete Rows from Design tab. Step 2. If the field is not empty, for example, if there is some data in the field, Access asks for a confirmation. Click on Yes button to delete the field. Closing Access 2013. Click on Close button on the right side of the title bar to close the Access app.